Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to font style change in WhatsApp. So let's get right into it. Open your WhatsApp. Now I'm going to select this contact. Here in this text bar, I will write some text. Like I write this text over here. Select this text by tapping twice on this text. Here you can see these options. For now, I am going to hit on bold. This text has been bold. If I go with another style, same as the first one, then go with italic. As you can see guys, my style has been changed and now I am going to select this one again. If I go with third option, it will look like this. And that's it guys. How to font style change in WhatsApp. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.